Okay.
Hold down ako
I'm southeast. Binubok na?
Bim.
Pupunta ata yung TFD sa likod ng Agila Park.
Dismount. Put check OC. Yo, everyone, first shallow. Southeast na gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the gate now. Yo, come back. Get ready defend. Yo, come. Reset on Likma.
Si Likma.
Nasaan si Likma? Save.
Naka-heart yan. Yo, ready. Get ready. We're gonna engage again, ha? 5 seconds. Hold. Okay, TFD bunking. Just keep scouting lang, Deb. Yo, everyone, southeast at the gate. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the gate now. Hit. Yo, come back. Get ready, full defend. Yo, come back, Gcash cars.
Ay, Balonis, first gate broke na.
Come northwest. Yo, everyone, come back, second gate. Come back, second gate.
Second gate, bro.
Yo, come fast. I need my DPS on me now. Yo, come fast. Shallow west in 5, 4, 3, 2. Go, DD, on me. Yo, come back nga. Na-hold ako. Come back. Yo, heal the France. Just hold. Okay, walk in now. Hold him on the choke. Get ready. All DPS. Hold, shallow lang. Hold. Keep walking. Yo, look up southwest at the gate in 5. Gigapats, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the gate only. Now come back. Get ready, defend. Defend. Don't leave us, yo. Yo, walk. No, come back. Come inside. Come inside.
Bonk.
What happened to Agila? Yo, careful Agila. We're gonna engage northeast. Wait. We're gonna engage east at the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the gate now. Everything at the gate. Come back. Defend also, guys. Yo, heal up. Hold. Yo, come north. Yo, defend west. Oh my God.